Yo! We just got the Sitka Nodak series Gore-Tex whites in. We're going to do an unboxing. Let's check them out. Say goodbye to disposable whites. The last white system you will ever need to buy. All right. The jacket. I'm about 6 feet tall, 185 pounds. I got a large jacket and a medium pair of bibs here. So you can see that we've got regular zipper in the front of the jacket, and then we've got a storm flap with Velcro closures over that. We've got pockets on the sides of the jacket. And let's put that aside so I can throw the bibs on. We'll check the bibs out and then we'll get back to the jacket. So here's the bibs. Box is cool. Tells a little bit about them inside of here. The Nodak jacket, Nodak bibs. Gore-Tex 3-layer laminate with a polyester face that is going to match the UV reflection of snow geese, so you will disappear when you're in the decoys. So here we have the bibs. These are medium. You can see kind of how high they're going to go, like a regular set of bibs. And the zippers, the zipper starts at the knee right here. Again, we got that storm flap running the length of the zipper. And then at the bottom of the pant leg here, it's all snaps. Snap closure at the bottom, so there's no zippers down by your mud boots. And the zipper runs all the way to the top here, and then we've got another snap at the top to help keep that closed up. So I'm going to run this zipper down part way, open the bibs up like that. There is also another zipper that runs right here down this side of the jacket, or down the bib, but this is how I put them on. I just run the one zipper down a little ways. Pop the bib on like that. Shoulder straps. Zip it up. It's got an articulated fit, so you can do some layering underneath it. Snap that closure. So we have two zippers running right here, side by side. So if you got to take a leak in the field, there you go. I do not run this left side zipper because I'm right-handed. So I leave this one closed most of the time, and then I get in and out of the bib through this side, and then I mainly just use this zipper. But Velcro closure on the storm flap all the way down the leg, and then down here we have the snaps that will go inside or outside of your boots, however you prefer to do that. But removing that zipper down here at the lower part of the leg is going to reduce some bulk. I did try to put these on with, right now I have the Dakota pants on. They fit great with the Dakotas. I could have a heavyweight base layer underneath the Dakotas. They would still fit. I tried them on with gradient pants. They work great there. I tried them on with the Hudson bibs, and they were pretty bulky with the Hudson bibs, but they still did fit. And then I tried the jacket on with Dakota jacket. Duck oven jacket. Down lightweight hoodie. And it all fit with that really good. So, again, we've got full zipper up the front, storm flap there, Velcro cuffs on the sleeves, Gore-Tex, 3-layer Gore-Tex with polyester face. That's what the entire suit's made out of. So it's going to be waterproof, breathable. Also, we've got a hood. The hood's got kind of a rigid brim on it, so you can block the sun out if you want to, and then the hood's cut back right here so that you have good peripheral vision left and right when you're looking for birds coming to the side of you. We got 2 pockets on the side that have zipper closures. Very minimalist bibs. There's no pockets on the bibs. You just have those zippers. And if you want to access any pockets that you have on your jacket underneath the bibs, or maybe your pants pockets, you can just drop those bib zippers down a little bit. My tags are getting all hung up. Drop those down, keep the snaps closed up here, and I can access a hoodie pocket or my pants pockets or whatever it is there. So if my hands are cold, that's an option for hand warmer. There you have it. The Nodak Series Whites by Sitka.